Yeah. So I was thinking, I know what I want to do for my birthday this year.
What do you want?
Nevis Swing.
Oh shit.
Are you gonna play with me?
No.
It's actually very fun and safe. So and you see we can actually swing together. Yeah, shall we do this?
No. Do I have a choice?
You don't. This is the only thing that I want to do on my birthday. And you are like my friend, right? And my best friend, right?
My husband?
All right, okay? All right, sure. I'll book it right now.
So your bus number is going to be N10, and then swing 67 is your photo and video number. Okay? But you're all good to hop on. Okay. And then Daryl?
Yep, that's me.
Right, you guys are all good. Drive will come and get you at 2 o'clock just from inside, so you can either sit over there or sit over there, and at 2 p.m. the drive will come get you, okay? Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Must be washing.
Yeah. What's your heart rate like?
80,
Huh?
80
80?
beats per minute.
80? Okay lah. You're not
What's
that
yours?
scared. Right? Mine is.
99. Who's scared now?
I'm not scared. I'm just very excited.
Excited.
Whatever you decided to, you know. Those of you going to the Kawada bungee or the zip ride, we're about 25 minutes away from there. I'll drop you off along the way. There'll be someone to look after you when we get there, I imagine. If you're doing the Nevis bungee, the swing, or the catapult, 45 minutes to the Nevis. Okay? So either way, you got time to think about it. Seatbelts on, please.
Are you okay?
No.
You're not okay? You have 40 to 45 minutes to think about it.
What if I've got myself into?
Fun. That's the one that I've
OMG.
I think we're like the last one.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Are you okay?
No.
Look at that! We've complete! We're done!
Done, thank God.
Thank God!
Over and done with this extreme. What's cooking?
Beef.
What Heston said today. And then you let it sit.
You need to read it.
Dear Akim, hope you have a wonderful day. Oh, look at this I think we have.
Heading up to McDonald's.